Anti-drone defense systems are becoming a critical component of modern military and security strategies, and the United States leads the way in developing cutting-edge technologies to counter the growing threat posed by drones. With the proliferation of unmanned aerial vehicles and neutralize rogue drones. One of the most advanced systems is the CUAS, Counter Unmanned Aerial System, technology, which combines multiple layers of defense. Radar and electro-optical sensors are used for early detection and classification of incoming drones. These sensors are capable of distinguishing between legitimate UAVs and potential threats, even in cluttered airspace. Advanced AI algorithms then analyze flight patterns and provide real-time threat assessments to operators, enabling quicker response times. The U.S. military has also developed directed energy, which employs advanced missiles to target larger and more sophisticated UAVs. In combination with electronic warfare techniques, such as GPS jamming and signal disruption, these systems can disable drone communication and navigation, forcing rogue UAVs to crash or return to their operators. American companies like Raytheon and Lockheed Martin are also integrating anti-drone technologies into existing platforms. The U.S. Navy's Odin, on the other hand, is focusing on deploying drone-on-drone countermeasures, where advanced UAVs are programmed to intercept and disable enemy drones. The private sector is playing a significant role as well. Startups and tech firms are developing portable and scalable solutions, such as handheld jammers and drone hunting systems, for use in urban environments and critical infrastructure protection. These systems are essential for safeguarding airports, power plants, and government facilities from potential drone-based attacks. Future developments in anti-drone defense systems include AI-powered autonomous counter-UAV networks capable of operating without human oversight. These systems will use machine learning to adapt to evolving threats, ensuring robust defense in dynamic environments. Additionally, quantum communication technology is being explored to provide secure and hack-proof networks for anti-drone operations. With the ever-increasing use of drones by adversaries, America's focus on anti-drone technology underscores its commitment to maintaining airspace superiority and protecting critical assets. These advancements not only set the standard for counter-drone capabilities globally but also redefine the future of warfare and security.